up and rhyme. I only thought you out so I could beat you a second time. Roar like Chewbacca, the voice of Mufasa. I'm on the leader of your lip, Mufasa. I strike back hard against a Nazi. Brain toss your in the air, Yahtzee. Ask Indiana Jones who the I am. I spit sick, so focus, I'll break your concentration camp. I'm a certified Sith Lord, you want? So suck on these.
These what, sir?
These robot nuts. I'm gonna enjoy watching you die. So let me do it, get my food.
You look stressed, Vader! You appear to be in pain! You need a vacation. Here, take a trip on my tray! I mean, you needing an army of white men? Disgraceful! Even your mic skills still aren't fully operational! You got what? Pregnant and gave in to the hate! Now you're 6'6" and black but can't get a date! Ugh, lightsaber! You need a lifesaver! Use some of your force to fix your respirator! You think you're powerful with your fingerneck pinches? You couldn't even get your own son into the family business! Everything you do is an epic fail! Now stand at attention and think, yeah! What's wrong, Annie? Can't take anymore? Not surprising coming from the Emperor's. Yeah! Yeah, take that! What's the matter? Where is the DJ? Why are you laughing?
Because you're standing over the rank orbit.
Ah!
Hey, yeah!